County in southeastern Massachusetts until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Halifax or near Bridgewater, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Middleborough, Scituate, Pembroke, Duxbury, Kingston, Carver, Lakeville, Henson, Halifax, and Plimpton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Plymouth, Massachusetts,